Hello there, Framework people. I'm recording this video to send to Framework support, but I figured I might as well record it for the public as well. I'm having a problem with my port number 1 on my Framework laptop. It is not charging my device. Framework support asked me to insert a USB drive into it, which I will now. Okay, that's inserted. And then they asked me to boot into BIOS. So I'll do that, powering it on, pressing F2. Okay, so now I'm in BIOS. The USB that I inserted is not a bootable disk, so I'll go to Setup Utility, I'll go to Boot, and I'll show that it is attached down here in the attached devices. If I remove it, so let's remove this real quick, and I exit, and go back into Setup Utility, and go back to Boot, you'll see it's no longer attached. So that shows that this port is successfully registering devices attached to it. Then they asked me, while I was sitting here in BIOS, which I'm sure that they meant this BIOS, I'm not sure if they meant this screen or the setup utility, I'm not sure which screen they wanted me to sit on, but they wanted me to plug in power, which I have here, the official Framework 180 watt adapter. They want me to plug this in. So I'll plug this in, and they told me to highlight the LED. Here you go. You can see what the LED is doing. And there you go. And it's fully seated. This is fully in there. So I don't know what the flashing green and red meant. I also don't know what the solid white means in this stage, but it is plugged in. If I go back into setup, I can show you the serial number and whatever you need to see here. And I'm not sure if I can I don't even know if there's a screen here that shows whether or not this is powered or whether it's charging, but here I'll just scroll through this for y'all. And you can see all the settings I have in BIOS. I'll try to show you IO interface, there you go. Boot, and there you go. So those are the two things that they asked me to do. And now this can continue booting. So now I'll show you that this is booting. Mind you, the LED is still solid white. I will go ahead and type in my encryption password off camera. Don't need any of you to take a look at it and see if you can guess what I got. I ain't got nothing for you. So now I've typed in my encryption password, and you can see it is not charging. But if I take this power cord out and I move it down just one port and I plug it in, now you can see this is charging. Thanks.